Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about dividend paying stocks this December. So, clarification lang, yung mga dividend paying stocks na to is hindi magbabayad this December. Yung ex-date nila is going to be this December. Kasi kung di naman kayo makakabili ng mga stocks na to a day before their ex-dates, then hindi kayo magka-qualify or hindi kayo mababayaran ng mga dividends na yun. So usually, it takes like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month before mabayaran yung mga dividends na yun. Right, so first one is isang preferred stock sa Cirtec Holdings Philippines Corporation. Yung stock code is TCB2B. Yung sector nito is industrial, mainly in electrical components and equipment. Yung dividend payment is in USD or US dollars. Quarterly sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Yung ex-date for this stock is on December 2, then record date on December 3, and payment date on December 18. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na merong delay do sa payment. So yung ex-date is gonna be on December 2, and then mababayaran yung dividends on December 18 pa. Yung current market price nitong TCB2B is 60 cents. Yung dividend yield nito quarterly is 4.16% and then 16.66% annually. So medyo mataas ito. And chinek ko naman, I thought na bi-annually lang sila nagbibigay ng dividends, but apparently based sa data na nakita ko, 4 times a year pa rin sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Next one, we have Bank of the Philippine Islands. Common shares ito. Yung stock code is BPI. So, familiar tayo dito sa BPI. Yung sector nito is financials, mainly in banking. Yung dividend payment is going to be 1.98 pesos per share. Bi-annually sila nagbibigay ng dividends. And yung dividends na binibigay nila is hindi consistent. Nagva-vary yung amount. Yung ex-date is going to be on December 3 and record date on December 4. Payment date is going to be on December 20. And yung current market price nito is 133 pesos per share. Yung dividend yield is hindi ganoon kataas, 2.97% annually. Next one, we have another preferred stock from Petron Corporation naman ngayon. Yung stock code is PRF4A. Sector nito is industrial, mainly in electricity, energy, power, and water. Dividend payment is 16.76 pesos per share. Every quarter sila nagbibigay. Yung ex-date is on December 6, record date on December 9, and payment date on January 7. So ito mas matagal. More than a month ka mag-aantay before pumasok yung dividends dun sa broker account mo. And the current market price ito is medyo steep, no? Almost 1,000 pesos. 995 pesos and 50 centavos to be exact. Pero maganda naman yung dividend yield niya. So that yung price is not really a factor. 1.68% quarterly and 6.73% annually. And then this is another preferred stock from Petron. So PRF4B naman. A yung kanina. So same lang ng sector. Yung dividend payment is 16 pesos and 99 centavos. So almost shy lang siya ng 1 cent sa 17 pesos per share. Ex-date is on December 6. So same thing lang kanina. Record date on December 9 and payment date on January 7. Yung current market price is 1,002 pesos. So, mas mahal siya ng konti dun sa previous preferred stock ng Petron. And yung dividend yield nito is 1.69% quarterly and 6.78% annually. And then another one, preferred stock na naman ng Petron. So, marami silang preferred stock. This one is PRF4C. Same sector lang. Dividend payment is mas tumaas ng konti, 17 pesos and 71 centavos. Quarterly din sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Same ex-date, December 6. Same record date, December 9. And payment date, same lang din, January 7. Yung current market price nito is saktong-sakto, 1,000 pesos per share. Yung dividend yield is 1.77% quarterly and 7.08% annually. So, kung pipili kayo dun sa tatlo, mas okay na mas piliin tong third option, yung PRF4C. Kasi mas mataas siya. Mas mataas yung dividend yield niya annually and quarterly. Move on tayo sa Citicorp Energy REIT Corp. So, ilagay ko lang dito na common but it's not really a common share kasi REIT ito or Real Estate Investment Trust. So, yung kanyang stock code or you can say REIT code is CREIT or in short, CREIT. Yung sector nito is property. Yung dividend payment is around 4 cents, almost 5 cents or 5 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 11, record date on December 12, and payment date on January 13. Yung current market price is 3 pesos and 5 centavos. Yung dividend yield is 1.6% quarterly yan and 6.42% annually. Next up, we have another REIT. So, ito naman is from Vista REIT Incorporated. Yung kanilang stock code is VREIT or VREIT. Pero, ang pangit pa rin ganon. Sector is property and then dividend payment is around 4 centavos as well. Ex-date on December 12, record date on December 13, and payment date on January 10. Yung current market price is 1 peso and 78 centavos. Dividend yield is 2.62% quarterly and 10.48% annually. So that is really a good deal para sa ganitong klaseng investment asset. So 10.48% annually, that is a very good yield. Mataas na yun sa standards. So usually, for example, mga common stocks, yung ina-aim mo is around 5% on average. But again, this is a different asset class kasi mga REIT ito. Next one, marami tayo na include dito na San Miguel Corporation preferred stocks. So usually, ganitong time sila nagbibigay or nagbabayad ng mga dividends or tuwing December, yung like last X date ng mga preferred stocks ng San Miguel. So, yung una is SMC2I. Sector nito is holding firms. Dividend payment na 1 peso and 18 centavos. Ex-date on December 19. Record date on December 20. And payment date on January 3. Yung current market price ito is 71 pesos and 60 centavos. Yung dividend yield is 1.65% quarterly and 6.63% annually. Next up, another San Miguel Corporation preferred stock, SMC2J. Same sector lang yan. Yung dividend payment is at 89 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 19. Record date on December 20. And payment date on January 3. Yung current market price is 71 pesos and 80 centavos. Dividend yield nito is mas mababa ng konti, 1.24% quarterly and 4.96% annually. So, it's a little bit shy sa target na average of 5% every year. The next one, SMC2K, San Miguel Corporation preferred stock pa rin ito. Sector, same thing. Dividend payment is 84 centavos every quarter. And ex-date on December 19, record date on December 20, and payment date is again on January 3. Current market price is 68 pesos and 50 centavos. Dividend yield is wala pa rin. Close naman siya sa 5%. Then 1.23% quarterly and 4.92% annually. So sinabi ko naman sa inyo na marami tayong na-include dito sa list na San Miguel Corporation preferred stock. So, Here's another one. SMC2L. Sector, same thing. Dividend payment is 1 peso and 48 centavos every quarter yan. Ex-date, December 19. Record date, December 20. And payment date on January 3. Current market price ito is 78 pesos and 40 centavos. Yung dividend yield is mas mataas na, 1.89% quarterly and 7.57% annually. Next one is SMC2M. Sector, holding firms pa rin yan. Dividend payment is 1 peso and 57 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 19. Record date on December 20. And payment date on January 3. Current market price is saktong-sakto again, 75 pesos per share. Dividend yield is 2.09% quarterly and around 8.375% every year. The next one is SMC2N. So parang hindi natatapos yung mga preferred stocks ng San Miguel, no? Sector nito is holding firms. Dividend payment is 1 peso and 56 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 19 and record date on December 20. Payment date niyan is same thing, January 3. Current market price is 81 pesos per share. Mas mataas to compared dun sa mga naunang preferred stocks ng SMC. Yung dividend yield is 1.93% quarterly and 7.72% every year. Next, San Miguel pa rin tayo. SMC2O, same sector. Dividend payment is 1 peso and 61 centavos every quarter pa rin yan. Ex-date on December 19, record date on December 20, and payment date on January 3. Current market price itong preferred stock is 80 pesos and 60 centavos. And yung dividend yield is 1.99% every quarter and 7.99% every year. Next one, San Miguel pa rin, SMC2F, same sector. Dividend payment is 1 peso and 27 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 19, record date on December 20, and payment date on January 3. Current market price is 72 pesos and 80 centavos. Yung dividend yield nito is 1.75% quarterly and 7.01% annually. That's gonna be the last one for San Miguel. So natapos din naman tayo. Next one is another preferred stock, Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. Yung stock code is CLIA1. Sector nito is property. Dividend payment is 18 pesos and 96 centavos every quarter. Ex-date on December 27. Record date on January 2. And payment date on January 12. Current market price, medyo steep din siya. 1,030 pesos. And yung dividend yield is 1.84% quarterly, and that is 7.36% annually. And then another preferred stock sa Cebu Landmasters, CLIA2. Same sector lang yan, property. Dividend payment is 20 pesos and 62 centavos. Every quarter din yan. Ex-date is on December 27, so same thing lang kanina. Record date January 2. And payment date on January 12. Yung current market price ito is 1,060 pesos. Dividend yield is 1.94% quarterly and 7.78% annually. And yeah, that is the list. So medyo mabilis lang naman for December. And I think papalo na ulit yung maraming magbibigay ng dividends at the start of 2025. Usually, marami nagbibigay yung mga ex-date nila nag-fall around Feb, March, and April. So, by that time, siguro mga 2 video yung i-release natin para ma-cover lahat ng mga dividend-paying stocks or yung ex-dates na nag-fall every single month. But yeah, we'll get there when we get there. Sources natin today is PSC Edge, BPI Trade, and yung mga photos galing sa Unsplash. That's gonna be it for this episode, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching and listening. I will see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.